How to insert sound in Google Slides. Select the slide where you want to insert a sound video. Go to Insert menu, then choose the command Video. You can have a sound video from the YouTube. In the YouTube search box, write the keywords for the sound that you would like to have. For example, a heartbeat sound. A list will be given to you. The list also displays the number of minutes so you would know how long it will last. To select the video, click to select the sound, then click the select button. A video clip is now inserted in the slide. Resize the video clip into a small size and put it in the desired position. If you would like to know how the sound video works, click the present button. Then click the play button. Let us insert now video in Google Slides. Select the slide where you want to insert a video clip. Go to Insert menu and choose the command Video. In the YouTube search box, write the keywords for the video clip that you would like to search. For example, a video of photosynthesis. Select a video, then click the select button. A video will be inserted in the slide. You may make the size of your video bigger by resizing it. If you would like to know how the video works, just click the present button. Then click the play button.
Pay attention for a moment to that plant in your balcony. Unlike your cat, it does not walk around requesting, or rather demanding.
Now get ready to insert a sound and video in your Google Slides.